of great piety. Paul VI speech, January 23, 1972. The great, venerable, and excellent Orthodox Patriarch. Paul VI addressed a schismatic delegation June 27, 1977. Then, 10 years later, we paid a visit to your holy church. Paul VI General Audience, January 20, 1971. The Venerable Eastern Orthodox Churches. He says that the schismatic churches are venerable. Paul VI speaking of the death of the schismatic patriarch, Athenagoras, July 9, 1972. We recommend this great man to you, a man of a venerated church. Paul VI address, May 25, 1968, the Venerable Orthodox Church of Bulgaria. Paul VI Common Declaration with Patriarch of Syrian Schismatic Sect, October 27, 1971. This should be done with love, with openness to the promptings of the Holy Spirit, and with mutual respect for each other and each other's church. So Paul VI respects the rejection of the papacy and papal infallibility. Paul VI telegram upon election of new schismatic patriarch of Constantinople, July 1972. At the moment when you assume a heavy charge in the service of the Church of Christ. This means that the schismatic church is the Church of Christ. Paul VI address, December 14, 1976. Very dear brothers, sent by the Venerable Church of Constantinople, we carried out the solemn and sacred ecclesial act of lifting the ancient anathemas, an act with which we wish to remove the memory of these events forever from the memory and the heart of the Church. The schismatic Orthodox are anathematized by the Church for denying the papacy and not accepting the dogmas of the Catholic faith, but Paul VI solemnly lifted these anathemas against them. This means that Paul VI